So I just stumbled upon this new messaging app called HuLa built on Tori, Vue3, and TypeScript. Sounds pretty modern, right?
Wait, Tori. That's interesting. It's supposed to be lightweight for building cross-platform apps, right?
Exactly, and combining it with Vue3's reactivity and TypeScript's type safety really intrigued me. It feels like a solid tech stack.
But isn't there a trade-off? I mean, using so many technologies could complicate things, right?
True, that's a fair point. It could lead to more complexity, but if done right, it could also mean a better user experience.
Right, plus, Vite7 claims to offer a super-fast development server. Have you seen that?
Yes, that caught my eye too. It utilizes native ease modules, making the build process smoother.
That's a big plus for developers. But can it match the performance of existing giants like Slack or Discord?
That's the million-dollar question. I wonder if it's competitive enough in terms of features.
Speaking of features, did you check out their messaging capabilities? They seem pretty diverse, from emojis to group management.
Yeah, and they even allow for message recall and reactions, which is crucial for any messaging app today.
But let's be real, how many apps do we need that do the same thing? Is there a unique selling point?
Good question. They mention AI integration. That could be a game changer if implemented well.
AI in messaging. That's ambitious. I can see a lot of potential there, but also a lot of pitfalls.
Definitely, it could enhance user experience or feel intrusive if not done right. Balance is key.
Agreed. Plus, how do they handle data privacy, especially with AI analyzing messages?
Exactly, that's a major concern nowadays. Transparency about data use is essential.
They did mention security features, but specifics on data handling would be reassuring.
For sure, I mean, no one wants their conversations analyzed without consent.
And let's not overlook cross-platform support. They aim to work on Windows, macOS, and even mobile.
That's ambitious. If they can pull it off seamlessly, they might attract a diverse user base.
But if there are bugs or inconsistencies across platforms, that could drive users away.
True, it'll be interesting to see how they manage updates and user feedback.
Speaking of updates, they mentioned an auto-update feature. That's a nice touch.
Yes, it keeps the app current without users needing to worry about manual updates.
But I hope it doesn't lead to forced updates that disrupt user experience.
Good point, user control over updates can enhance satisfaction.
And what about community engagement? They have community groups for discussions, right?
Exactly, it's a smart way to gather feedback and build a loyal user community.
But will they be able to manage that effectively? Community moderation can be tough.
Very true, it requires constant effort and good policies to maintain a positive environment.
And with so many messaging apps out there, standing out is more challenging than ever.
I agree, but if they focus on unique features and user experience, they might carve out a niche.
So do you think HuLa has the potential to make a significant impact?
It's hard to say, if they execute their vision well, they could definitely make waves.
I guess we'll have to keep an eye on their progress. It's going to be an interesting journey.
Absolutely, let's see how it evolves and what users have to say.
Definitely. The real test will be how well they balance innovation with user needs.
Exactly, I'm curious to see if they can actually deliver on their promises.
Same here. It's always exciting when new players enter the market.
Right? It keeps the competition alive and pushes everyone to improve.
For sure, let's stay updated on HuLa and see if it lives up to the hype.
Absolutely, I'll be watching closely for any news or updates.
Me too. It's always fascinating to see how tech evolves over time.
Definitely, and speaking of evolution, it makes you think about what the future holds.
Exactly. Who knows what messaging will look like in a couple of years?
Right? It's like a whole new frontier, and I'm here for it.
Same here. As to hoping for a better and more connected future.